Um, okay. If I could forget him, I would. Please believe me. And I know that I should throw the towel in, but baby, it's not that easy. Hey, you treat me so much better than him. And if I were sane, there'd be no competition. But I'm in love with someone else. I'm so sorry, baby. Oh, and I know it ain't right. No, 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 for what I did to you, baby. I know it ain't right.